Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Let Us Start Plans. In today's video, I'll be showing you my newest anniversary kit that's added to the bundle. Here it is. If you haven't seen my previous video on my anniversary bundle item on washi tape, feel free to check that previous video. It's really nice. It does come with two brand new washi tape designs, so check it out. So here, this is the mini kit that will be included in the bundle. You get to choose different kit. It could be Hobonichi Cousin, Weeks, and the standard planner sticker kit. So here I have a Hobonichi Cousin sticker kit. I'm excited to try it for next week. This is what it looks like. It's blank, but this is what it includes, like 4 boxes here. It does come with 2 more boxes, so you got 6. Here will fit perfectly in these boxes here in your days. Same with the sidebar. You can use this in Hobonichi Cousin. It fits perfectly. Same for these, it will fit in there perfectly as well. Here we have that. We have a relax, some planning. If you look up closely, I'm not sure if you can see it, it says to do, pre-plan, sticker, and organize. There's Nuku and Mimi. And here is a little flag that you can actually use it to decorate your spread. And this box is here. Hat box, there's a Mimi holding a planner. How cute is that? Lots of like border stickers and appointment stickers. Here would be nice for your sidebar. We do have the weekly, so to track your meal or workout. Here are things to do for this coming week and things that you need to be aware of a specific day. We have these type of more functional stickers that you can use. And don't worry, you don't have to use it all. You can also just save it for next time for the next spread too. Lastly, we have this. It has a weekend banner, which can only fit in 1 box. I figure 2 boxes might be too much, but I guess 1 is good enough. You can put it on a Saturday. And a bunch more deco stickers. So we have Mimi cleaning and cleaning up. Or recycling. There's a birthday cake to celebrate our anniversary, and balloon and meal, happy meal, and Mimi, another banner. There's this one is super new, it's highlight, and Mimi holding a teacup. So very functional. It does come with all to-dos, and total of 8, so this allows you to use it for an entire week. You can also use on the sidebar as well. You can also put it directly on the spread, or you can use a highlighter and you put a little marker underneath and then put the to-do. There are plenty of ways of use it, or you can just like add a page flag and put a to-do on in the middle. You can also do that as well. So plenty of options for you to be creative and utilize these to-do stickers. So here they are again. They're really cute and adorable. And don't worry, this is not exclusive to Hobonichi Cousin. You can actually use this in any type of planner. Just that these stickers just fit perfectly in your Hobonichi Cousin. But you can use it in Hobonichi Cousin, bullet journal if you want. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys liked this video, don't forget to like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!